Nearly 90,000 bottles of children's ibuprofen recalled. But this is about a lot more than just one recall.
That's right. It ties into the work our senior investigative reporter, Lisa Fletcher, has been doing now for years on the risks associated with the bulk of America's generic drugs, which are made in India. Lisa joins us now with the very latest. So, Lisa, what triggered this recall?
Well, Michelle, complaints of a gel-like substance and black particles inside some bottles, raising questions and concerns about quality and safety. For parents, this is the kind of medicine you reach for without thinking, but it's also exactly the kind of product our team has been investigating for years. Drugs made overseas in a system that can be hard to see and even harder to police. Now, this product is made by Strides Pharma Science, an India-based company. We already know the company has had issues with the FDA in the past, including problems with quality systems at some of its facilities. Now, consistent with what FDA inspectors say they see with other Indian drugs on a regular basis, former Inspector Peter Baker has been sounding the alarm that the problems in Indian facilities can translate to real risks for patients.
I think we got too comfortable with very low-cost generic products and sort of ignored the red flags that have been arising from FDA and other regulators for a couple of decades now.
This recall is classified as level 2, meaning it could cause temporary or medically reversible health problems. But for us, it's also a warning sign. In the days ahead, we're digging deeper into this company's history, pulling FDA records, and talking to inspectors who spent years in India drug manufacturing plants to better help you understand what's going on behind the scenes. Because the bigger question isn't just about one bottle. It's about how much we really know about the drugs that we're supposed to trust. And this recall, it is for children's ibuprofen oral suspension, 100 milligrams. Check the lot numbers you see on your screen. Stop using it if it matches. Of course, we're going to have that information on WJLA.com as well.
Yeah, and level 2 or not, obviously really important here.
Yeah.
So, Lisa, what should parents do right now if they even think that they may have that product in their home?
Well, first, check the label and the lot number. And like I said, we're going to have all of this on our website. If the lot number matches the recall, stop using it and contact your pharmacist or your child's doctor. If you have any generic ibuprofen suspension in the house, it's a good idea. Just compare it, because with these generic drugs, we don't always know where they show up. The risk is supposedly temporary, but it's still not worth taking a chance.
No, definitely not. Here's the question for you as we talk about your reporting that's been going on for years on a lot of these medical concerns that we need to be paying attention to. Where does a story like this really go next?
Well, we're going to take a deeper dive. With this company and its track record, we already know that they have had some issues with the FDA, so we're going to look at that in the days ahead. We have reached out to the company for comment. We have yet to hear back from them. And we're also just getting back from Dallas, where we had an exclusive with billionaire Mark Cuban. We're going to show you how he's trying to bring generic drug manufacturing back to the U.S. to avoid exactly these kinds of problems.
Yeah, and fascinating. You've kind of given me a preview of what he's had to say and the actions he's taking, so we look forward to that. Really important reporting here, Lisa, so thank you. And to see all of Lisa's work on this issue, including a half-hour documentary that just came out last week, go to WJLA.com.